kami sa ano, sa coaster ride.
Mayroon din silang cave.
Ngayon, pupunta na kami sa Tiger Kingdom. Ah, tama ba? Tiger Kingdom. Roar.
Roar.
Tiger Kingdom.
Roar.
Na. Makikita ko na si Tiger. Okay. Tiger Zone. Okay, let's roar. Okay, let's start. Tiger Zone. Okay, let's go. Sabi, don't do that. This Tiger checkpoint. Thank you. Andito na ang mga tiger. Excited na ako makita sila. Ooh. Tiger. Ah, ito na. Rora, Oh my gosh, scary. Roar. Okay, I'm scared. Let's start.
Yes, let's start it. Your bag from outside, please. Bring just your phone for video.
Oh, okay.
No bags, please. But I will keep look for you. Put on the shelf, please.
Okay, no bag now. Okay guys, I will take video.
Okay, that's very cool.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Later go to that one.
Okay. Easy?
One easy one, yes.
Ah.
Like a bye.
And a bit.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Tiger. Hi.
Port Tiger from behind.
Okay, sa likod daw tayo.
Ladies.
Did you give me?
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh my god.
Have them full hand all the time, like a massage. Cut soft them tickle. That's the shape. Firmness.
They are big.
You don't mind, you can sit on the ground, lay down with Tiger. Hold you.
Oh my gosh, they're sleeping.
No, sitting is fine.
Okay.
I will lay down.
Okay.
Okay, don't mind.
Lady, you can pick up the tail.
Oh,
Yes.
really?
Yes.
Big tail.
Ah. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh my god.
It's a girl, an old girl, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, you can lay down on them.
Tiger. Tiger.
Jenny and Pinky.
Pinky.
Jenny.
Jenny. Yes.
How can I?
Yes, you sit on the ground. Sit on the ground. Yes. And put your arm on them. Yeah, like that, like that.
Tiger. Tiger scared.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Keep here.
1, 2, 3.
Pull, huh? Keep touching. Strong.
Okay, like that, like that.
Every touch keep it strong.
Okay, another one.
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, nice.
Wow.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
Pinky and
Jenny.
Jenny.
Yes.
Jenny Black.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have Lisa, Lisa.
Lisa.
Yes, another one, Lisa.
See Lisa later.
Hi, about the
Back to Lisa. Go to see Lisa.
Is there?
Yes, yes. Follow him, yes.
Oh, Lisa.
Again, slow down.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Stay behind by the tail. Okay. Get down.
Okay.
Yes. Slow.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at me.
Oh my god, he's looking at me.
When you touch do not touch them soft. Don't touch them soft. Do it hard.
Always firm. Yes.
When you touch tiger, every part, right? Not soft anymore. If you touch them soft, then tickle.
Yeah.
Very good. Next turn.
When you touch them firmly, very good for them. Just feel good. Yes, and squat down. Yes. Firmly. Yes, always firm. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Lisa Blackpink. Okay, and make tiger. Great. Okay. Together.
Long stop. No.
Strong. Yeah, like that. Great. Oh, nice. Very nice.
Touch more, okay.
Yes, like that.
Okay, strong, slow. No.
Oh no, just oh my god.
Yes, good. Okay. Good.
I'll go. Wow. Hi guys. So meet Lisa. Lucky.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Lisa Manolo.
Oh my. Oh, can I touch?
Yeah.
Drop the money.
Money. How old is that?
1 year old.
Oh, 1 year old?
1 year
Oh
old.
my gosh, they're awake.
It's okay.
It's a good.
1 year old?
Yeah. Get big very fast.
Very big.
Around 2 years, they are same like a bigger size.
The big one.
Silicone size, the bigger one.
No tiger in Philippines, so I will take more pictures.
ไม่มีครับ
ไม่เหลือ Okay.
Bye, Lisa. See you around.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Please.
You with the truth. Okay, the members of Blackpink are here. This is their
Yes, for them.
okay, guys. End of the vlog.
พัทยาสวงพัทยาสวง
Okay.
Bye. You're back. My back.
Oh, they are siblings.
White, her name is Harry. Harry? And his name is Beer. Oh, they are Beer. And how old again? 2? 5 months old. Ooh.
But their mother is golden.
Golden.
Father is white.
White. Wow. So nice. Guys, ito na. Nalagyan na ako ng balahibo ng tiger. Iuwi ko to sa Pilipinas, guys. Tiger from ano. Uy, ang dami dito. Oh, ayan. Ang dami nila. Ayan. Ayun siya guys, si Snow White. Tulog. Hello, Doris. Grabe, ang laki. Oh, he's so cute. Male pala. Oh, wala, nag-stretch siya. Hi, Doris. Ayan siya. Wow, ang ganda niya. Wow. Di ba lumapit? Hi! Lion King! Ay, tayo. Hello! Nagagalit siya, guys. Ayan na siya, nakatingin lang siya. Sabi niya, nonchalant. Nonchalant lang siya. Hello! She's the mother of Jenny and Lisa.
Yes, different color.
Galing!
The color like that. Hi.
Ito siya.
Hi.
Hi! Worry! Ay, naantok na siya. Guys, sila na yung tiger na pinuntahan ko kanina. Tabi. Ang ano na ay golden tabby tiger.
Umiihi ba sila?
Oh, naliligo siya. Ayun. Humiling lang sa kanila. Ay, ganun lang siya. Ayun si Ad. Chillax lang siya. Oo nga.
Oui, c'est ce qu'on appelle être indécis.
Ay, tumatae? Tumatae o umiihi?
Tumatay, ayun yung pupo. Nagpupok sila doon, tapos pinapalit.
Ang galing, no? Ay,
Parang buntis tong isa. Kailan siya eh?
2 years old. Yan na siya, naglalakad na. Siya, ito din. Ay, ito, chillax lang, nonchalant lang siya. Wow.
Ngồi phải nào quạt kiểu đấy.
Hi! 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 Ay, naglalaro sila. Naglalaro sila. Hala, Miss Lee, nag-ano sila, naghahanap.